Ladies and gentlemen, innovators and dreamers, today we are standing at the edge of a traveling revolution. A revolution powered not by roads alone, but by imagination, the imagination that turns a vehicle into a lifestyle, a journey into a living experience, and mobility into pure freedom. Luxury motorhomes Dazen of 2026 is not just a concept. It is a declaration that the future of movement belongs to those who dare to redesign comfort, redefine exploration, and reimagine what it means to live on the move. In 2026, the world of luxury motorhomes transforms from a dream into a living masterpiece. We are stepping into a new age where innovation does not simply respond to needs, it anticipates them. The Dazen series is born from a truth many forget: that luxury is not excess, luxury is intention. Every curve, every panel, every illuminated surface inside these motorhomes reflects a choice to uplift human experience. Imagine stepping inside a living space that understands you before you speak. Lights that adjust to your mood. Climate control that responds not just to temperature, but to atmosphere. Intelligent surfaces that become your workspace, your entertainment hub, your sanctuary. This is not technology added for show. This is technology that serves purpose, designed for people who move through life with clarity and ambition. Luxury motorhomes Dazen of 2026 represents freedom in its most refined form. Not reckless freedom, but empowered freedom. The freedom to wake up by a cliffside one morning and beside a quiet lake the next. The freedom to merge your home with your dreams, without sacrificing comfort or capability. Because in this new era, your home should not anchor you, it should accelerate you. And this is where design becomes destiny. The craftsmanship of the Dazen series is a tribute to creators who dared to ask, what if luxury could move with us? Advanced materials, aerodynamic lines, sustainable power systems, and interiors inspired by harmony and precision. This is engineering turned into artistry. But what truly sets the 2026 Dazen apart is the mindset behind it. A mindset that understands travel is no longer about reaching a destination, it is about who we become along the way. Every kilometer traveled in these motorhomes is a statement that life is not meant to be confined to one place. It is meant to expand. So today, as we explore what lies ahead, remember this: the future of mobility is not defined by speed alone. It is defined by space. The space we create for comfort, for inspiration, for connection. A luxury motorhome is not a vehicle. It is a vision. A vision for those who refuse to choose between movement and meaning, between adventure and elegance, between exploration and peace. Purpose-driven design begins with a question that reshapes the entire philosophy of creation. Why must this exist, and how will it elevate human experience? In the world of luxury motorhomes, this question becomes the heartbeat of every decision, every panel, every line, every function. The Dazen 2026 series does not rely on luxury as a decoration, it relies on purpose as a foundation. When purpose comes first, design becomes more than appearance, it becomes intention sculpted into form. It becomes a symphony where comfort, technology, human behavior, and natural movement blend into one seamless expression. You are not simply stepping into a motorhome, you are stepping into a living environment engineered around your well-being, your needs, your rhythm, your journey. In a purpose-driven design, nothing is random, nothing is excessive, and nothing exists merely to impress. Every space inside the Dazen 2026 is crafted to support the way modern explorers live. When you extend your hand toward a surface, it responds. When the light changes outside, the interior shifts with it, adapting to maintain harmony. Soft lines guide your movement through the cabin naturally, reducing clutter and creating a flow that feels intuitive. Even the smallest corner has meaning. Storage designed to protect delicate equipment, seating shaped to support long journeys, and layouts that transition effortlessly from relaxation to productivity. This is not design added to life, this is design integrated with life. Purpose-driven design recognizes that luxury is not defined by how much is added, but by how precisely everything fits into the user's world. Dazen 2026 embodies this by merging aesthetics with usability. The materials are chosen not only for beauty but for durability, sustainability, and tactile comfort. When your hand brushes against a surface, you feel the intention behind it, the warmth, the texture, the authenticity. When you sit in the lounge, you experience the balance between softness and structure, created to cradle you through long journeys without fatigue. The environment becomes an extension of your instinct, not a distraction from it. This design philosophy also understands movement, not just mechanical movement, but emotional and experiential movement. The motorhome is built for people who evolve, who travel with purpose, who chase dreams rather than wait for them. The interiors adjust like a companion to your lifestyle, not the other way around. Workspaces emerge when ambition calls. Ambient tones soften when peace is needed. Entertainment transforms when inspiration is desired. Design serves your story, not its own. And above all, purpose-driven design respects your time. It creates systems that reduce effort, enhance comfort, eliminate stress, and maximize what truly matters, the experience of the journey. It transforms complexity into simplicity, allowing you to focus on living, exploring, and dreaming. The Dazen 2026 is not designed to be admired. It is designed to be lived in, to be trusted, and to become the quiet partner that elevates every moment of your adventure. Design with purpose doesn't try to impress the world, it tries to empower the individual. That is where true luxury lies.